Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to another delicious episode of our cooking series. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a mouth-watering grilled chicken with crispy sweet potatoes. This is a dish that's sure to impress your family and friends. This dish is not just tasty, but also super easy to prepare. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, you'll find this recipe straightforward and rewarding. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk ingredients. Having everything prepped and ready will make the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. You'll need 2 chicken breasts, preferably organic for the best flavor and texture. 2 medium sweet potatoes cut into wedges. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which will help in roasting and adding a nice crisp to the sweet potatoes. 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of thyme. These spices will add a wonderful depth of flavor to both the chicken and the sweet potatoes. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. These basic seasonings are essential for bringing out the natural flavors of the ingredients. Alright, let's get that grill preheated. A hot grill is key to getting those beautiful grill marks and a nice char on the chicken. While it's heating up, season your chicken breasts with salt, pepper, and half of your paprika and garlic powder. Make sure to rub the spices in well. You want those flavors to really sink in. Let the chicken sit for a few minutes to absorb the spices. Once your grill's ready, place the chicken breasts on it and grill until they are fully cooked, which usually takes about 6-7 minutes per side. Keep an eye on them to avoid overcooking. Now, while the chicken's grilling away, let's move on to the sweet potatoes. These will be a perfect side dish. Toss those wedges in a bowl with olive oil, the remaining paprika, garlic powder, thyme, and a good pinch of salt and pepper. Make sure every piece is well coated. Make sure they're all well coated. This will ensure they roast evenly and get that nice crispy texture. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or about 200 degrees Celsius. A hot oven is crucial for getting those sweet potatoes crispy. Spread the sweet potato wedges out on a baking sheet in a single layer. This helps them cook evenly and get that perfect crisp. Pop that in the oven and roast for about 25-30 minutes, or until they're golden and crispy. The aroma will be irresistible. Give them a flip halfway through to ensure they cook evenly. This little step makes a big difference in the final texture. By now, your chicken should be perfectly grilled. Check for doneness by ensuring the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Juicy on the inside with a nice char on the outside. This is what makes grilled chicken so delicious. Take it off the grill and let it rest for a couple of minutes. Resting the chicken allows the juices to redistribute, making it even more flavorful. This helps keep all those delicious juices locked in. When you slice into it, you'll see how moist and tender it is. Alright, it's time to plate up. Arrange the grilled chicken and sweet potatoes on a plate. Serve the grilled chicken alongside those crispy sweet potato wedges. Look at those colors. The vibrant orange of the sweet potatoes and the beautifully grilled chicken make for an eye-catching, mouth-watering dish. The vibrant orange of the sweet potatoes and the beautifully grilled chicken make for an eye-catching, mouth-watering dish. It's a feast for both the eyes and the palate. And there you have it. A simple, delicious grilled chicken with crispy sweet potatoes. A simple, delicious grilled chicken with crispy sweet potatoes. Perfect for a weeknight dinner or a weekend BBQ. This dish is versatile and always a hit. Perfect for a weeknight dinner or a weekend BBQ. It's a crowd pleaser that's sure to become a favorite in your household. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and seeing your recreations. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Happy cooking! Until next time, keep experimenting and enjoying your culinary adventures.